All right, y'all. Let me introduce y'all to the project. Yeah, you see it. If you don't know what it is by now, I don't think you're gonna be watching this video for long. We got the Mustang, y'all. It's a little took apart, you know what I'm saying, here and there, but it's going to get put back together with y'all. We're gonna do this together, man. We're gonna make it right. We're gonna walk around. Yeah, man, I already done been working, man. I'm sorry. I already been working. We got the fenders off. Got that front bump off. The wheel been on for a long time. Go keep them on. Got the old motor back here. Got that back bump off. And whoever I got this car from, y'all, let me show y'all this because I know somebody will see it. Whoever I got this car from put these awful tail lights in here. So I'm looking for 94 specific tail lights. The horizontal, not the verts. Oh, speaking of verts, it's a vert. Y'all know what's going on, man. It's a 1994, man, 30 years old. We about to get his first start up in a minute, man. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all stay tuned, man. We go get it back running. I'm gonna tell y'all what's going on with the motor, what's in the motor as of right now. It's a stock bottom end though. That's all I can say. It's stock bottom end. All right.